is Adrienne, and I was going to go ahead and let you know about my new skincare that I've been using. This is Hado Labo. This one is Anti-Aging Hydrator. This one is actually the Age Correcting Eye Serum. I've been using both of these, got them both off of Amazon, and these actually are formulated for the US market. And then I got this one, which is the Alpha Lotion, which is a firming lotion, and this one is actually made in Japan. I got this one off of Amazon as well, and they're both still available on Amazon. This was one of the first companies to go ahead and formulate hyaluronic acid and to go ahead and use both the larger molecules and the smaller molecules so that you were getting the benefits of being on top of your skin and actually sinking into your skin and having some plumping effects. Like I said, I've incorporated these into my skincare. I am really glad that I went ahead and did that. I feel that I'm getting a lot of benefits from the hyaluronic acid, and this is a mid-price product. It's not an expensive product. I think both of these were, or actually all three of these were under $20 to go ahead and get each one. So again, really liking these products. I've gone ahead and added them into my skincare routine. And if you do want to go ahead and try them, they're priced so that you can go ahead and try them. And hope you had the success with them that I have. I've really enjoyed them. Hello, wanted to go ahead and do a couple more of my favorite products. This is actually a new WetnWild compact here, and this is the Coffin break. It came out during Halloween this year, but this one is really, I've seen a couple of other people wear it, and it's just, the colors are great. There's a lot of sparkle and shininess. It's what I have on my eyes today, and this is actually a really good addition, and I'm not quite sure why it came out with the Halloween, but if you see it, it's definitely one that I would go ahead and pick up. Okay, just one more thing. Went ahead and got the Shea Moisture and really enjoying the Skin Renewal Recipe Body Yogurt Moisturizer. This one actually has yogurt and honey in it. And then also got the Hydrate and Repair Multi-Action Leave-In. And both of these have the yogurt and the honey in them. They are very moisturizing this time of year. I don't know about you, but my skin starts feeling it. And really enjoying these two products. They smell wonderful. They have a very unique smell. And so that's my one more thing. And really enjoying the skincare right now, trying out new things and going ahead and seeing what works top to toe. And wanted to go ahead and let you know about this. So this is my one more thing. And again, thank you, and have a good night. Or have a good day.